Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification required problem on App Store. So guys, if you're trying to download or install some apps on the App Store but you are facing this issue which says verification required, tap continue and sign in to view billing information. Here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that simply tap on continue, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions and you have to provide your billing information from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping, and from here you have to simply wait for some time, and once it is open you have to simply add your payment method correctly from here. So as you can see this, you have to simply add your payment method from here and add your billing address from here as well. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.